Welcome to the Mr. Stacky 5-Tier Stackable Planter, your ultimate solution for vertical gardening. This patented flow-through design saves water and space while letting you grow more efficiently. Made in the USA from food-safe polypropylene, it is perfect for strawberries, herbs, flowers, and succulents. Gardening has never been easier with this 5-tier setup, and bottom saucer included. Transform your indoor or outdoor space into a thriving garden with minimal effort. It makes an ideal gift for any plant lover looking to maximize their growing potential. Get ready to watch your favorite plants flourish like never before. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.